Hi guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, today's video is a tutorial on this messy side bun, as I call it. Some of you have seen the pictures on my Instagram from Valentine's Day and you asked me to do a tutorial, so of course. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Alright, first and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much. And if you are not yet subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. This is really easy, you guys, like beyond simple. Hey guys, alright, so I wore my hair, and I will show you the picture here, on Valentine's Day in a side bun. And I've had several of you ask if I would do a tutorial on it. It is so easy, you guys. So that's what we're gonna do today. So let's go ahead. This is how I have my hair now. I'm just gonna take it out. This is how I actually slept in it last night. The first thing I need is my hair not to be clean. You heard me right. Because it'll just be too soft and I want some grit to it. So my hair is actually filthy. No lie, it's like 4 days old. So I am gonna put a little bit of dry shampoo in it. Makes it smell good. You know, this is my favorite, Not Your Mother's texturizing dry shampoo. And I'm just gonna brush that through. Now, the second thing you'll need is bobby pins. Bobby pins seem to vanish in my house. So I actually got this big, huge container of them off of Amazon and I love it. And you need a hair tie that matches roughly the color of your hair. That's pretty much it. And here's the thing, guys. So I will show you, this is how my hair was the way to the wedding. We were spending the night at the hotel, that's why I did my hair. And I even forgot my brush, but I am gonna use my brush today. Okay, so this is just like leftover curl. And what I did was, you wanna do a part that's a super side part, like really to the side of your hair. So you really wanna do that real deep side part, you know. And then I'm not even going to use my brush. And then you're going to pull it and you want it to be, well, this is how I did it, obviously, however you feel comfortable. I like it across my ear, not behind my ear, but you could do it either way. And then you're just going to pull it all the way and pull this. This is so easy, you guys. And then so I have the brush here, I'm just gonna brush the thing. Okay, and then what you do is, this part here, you sort of twist a little bit. And then what you wanna do is just make sure the back is smooth and that when you kind of comb it back, it's you know, covering, like I have this little tiny bald spot happening up here, I don't know what that's about. And then I just do a little kind of a swoosh. And then I take that rubber band, and you wanna be, you don't want to be too far in front and you don't want to be too far in back. So you got to find, and everybody's face shape is different, so it's going to depend on yours. But I'm going to go ahead and just start making a ponytail. And then when I get to where I feel like I can't really do another loop, you know, like on the last loop, I'm going to do it like this. And then what I'm going to do is sort of pull it, not all the way through, okay? And now see, so we have this thing hanging here. Okay, well that's not attractive, is it? So what we're gonna do is just pin it. So I'm gonna take from the bottom and I'm just gonna pull it up. And then I'm just gonna pin. And then do it again. So from the bottom up, and sort of in the center of it, pin it. And we're sort of making this kind of flower shape, I guess. And then I'm not worried about down here, I will take care of that. I'm more concerned about getting this beautiful shape. And then it's a matter of pinning it close, you know, to your head, I guess. And then you wanna put some in the back. And so the way I do it is I can actually take the bobby pin, put it where I want it to go, and then pull it back and then pin it. I hope that made sense. And then you can see it's starting to get that shape. Now we need to take care of this little bottom part because it's not. So we're gonna go underneath and put it up under. And the same with this. So we have this little part sticking out here. Again, put it under and then just pin it. And then it's a matter, so we kind of have our shape. We have this beautiful, and you see how there's a little bit of a twist to it. Now this is where you can pull out a little bit if you want it to go, like I sort of really like how it is right now, but you could, you know, pull out if you want a little bit more of a poof here. Same here. If you want to pull it out just a tiny bit, you can. The other thing I would recommend, like we were dancing and stuff, so I am going to secure it with just a couple bobby pins in the back. There we have it, you guys. It's so simple. You could just throw some really pretty earrings on that you wanted to show. I had those gorgeous Kate Spade earrings. If you didn't see them, I'll put them here. And it is a little bit of a messy bun. That's the whole idea of it. And then just take a little bit of hairspray and give me here. I used the last of it and I didn't know it, and so I have ordered it. So it's my favorite. I don't use a lot of hair products, you know that. And that's it. And then you could add just a little, like a little tendril there if you want it. What I really like is just the dramatic effect of just this one side. So I think it's just so incredibly pretty and elegant and super fast. So if you're ever in a, you know, a big hurry and your hair is dirty, which mine was, no lie, you guys, that's what it looks like. All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did and you enjoy videos like this, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys.